Hello and welcome to the channel. Here we use Word or Excel to create art. We use the Microsoft Office shapes and drawing tools. In today's video, we're going to create a ball, one that you might remember from the past. So we're going to go into Insert, Shapes, pick a circle, like that. I like to put it to fixed position. It's easier to move around. Now we go into Shape Fill, Gradient, choose any one, doesn't matter. Now that we've got that, click on Format Shape under the Shape Styles. Go into Fill, and for the middle color, we're going to make it white. And for the furthest to the right, I'm going to make it red. Okay. We're going to also add an extra color stop over here, and it's going to be white as well, like that. Make it wider here. Now we're going to go into the blue color stop, and we're going to increase the position value until we get a nice crisp line or boundary between the two colors. Okay, it'll jump over when it's too far. That's a good indication that we're at the right spot. Now for the red, we click on the red color stop, and we're going to lower this one until we get to the right position. Okay, perfect. Just going to rotate this. And I think I'm going to make it a little bit wider here. All right. Now we go to the middle icon, or format shape. We're going to change all of these values. I'm going to add a bevel to the top, round. We'll change this to 105.5. And the height to 155. These we'll leave alone, the bottom bevels. The depth, we'll leave it at 0. The contour, we will change to 0.5. Okay. For the material, we'll choose plastic. For the lighting, soft. And we'll make that 10%. Okay. I'm going to rotate this a little bit more, like that. I'm going to go into Shape, Format, Outline, No Outline. Make this ball a little bit more round. Shape Effects, Shadow. I'm going to give it a shadow. I want it a little bit brighter. Okay, so it's just going to do the one. That's okay, that's fine. I'm just going to add some rotation to this. just to make it more dynamic. Okay, thanks for watching.